Alright, so this is going to be our gun collection video. First we have the Robinson Arms XCRL, the CAA M4, the Elite Force 4CRL, the Well L96, the AK-12, and the 12 gauge Airsoft shotgun. So first we have the Robinson Arms XCRL. I got this gun over 6 years ago, and since then it's underwent some changes, such as the camo paint job we did with spray paint. It actually has the 4CRL gearbox inside of it. We took out the normal gearbox and put in the VFC gearbox, which is full metal. So we also changed the grip out on it. It has a custom grip. I'm not sure what company that makes it, but we didn't like the grip that the XCR came with, so we added the aftermarket grip. We run this gun with an optic. It doesn't have an optic on there because the optic is now on the AK-12. Our next project for this gun is we're going to actually put the PolarStar jack in it and turn it into a designated marksman rifle.
This is the CAA M4. I put a PolarStar jack in it. Got a crane stock on there. It's got a tight bore barrel with a flat hop and an aftermarket hop-up housing. And we're planning on putting the 4CRL gearbox in this and upgrading the internals like the gears and the motor. This is actually a front wired gun, so it's kind of a pain to install the jack because you have to wire it into the foregrip. It's got the same paint job as the XCR and the 4CRL. We just used some netting with the green to make that pattern. And we did a base coat of tan first.
Next up we have the Elite Force 4CRL. As you can see, this doesn't look anything like a normal 4CRL. It's underwent some changes. We added the fake suppressor. Also added the key mod rail. Added a vertical grip. Added the optic. Some flip up iron sights. We also gave this gun a paint job with the standard rattle can setup and snakeskin pattern using green and tan. On the front of the gun here we added some chagru to add for that extra grip when you're holding the rifle. Inside we have a PolarStar Gen 1 fusion engine, and we do have the purple nozzle. Has some tape in the mag well to make the mags fit better. We have a stock poppet, and like I said, we're using the purple nozzle, and I took off the full stock and added a more CQB style crane stock. This one does not have the amped IGL, just has the standard airline that comes with the PolarStar. And this gun I've had for about, I would say, 5 years. Got it just when I started the channel. You'll see a lot of gameplay footage with this gun. And in this rifle I have a 509mm 6.01 type bore barrel made by PDI. And also inside we have a ProWin hop-up unit that has a R-hop, so it's more accurate. We have the custom sticker on the side, such as the other guns. And that is about it for the 4CRL.
This is the L96. bolt action spring sniper. Pretty much the only mods that we did to it is the paint job. We did a full metal gearbox and an upgraded spring. So how it is now, it shoots like 420 with 25s. Got a custom kill flash setup on there. This is the Arcturus AK-12 replica. It looks exactly like the real thing. It's full metal. It's got a cool Russian looking muzzle device on there with a glass break around the end. Everything's full metal on the gun except for the stock, obviously, the grip and the rail system. It's got a red dot on there right now. It's pretty much stock except for it has a flat hop. It's got a slide type hop up. Has a foldable stock too. Locks in like that. And I think it's a 5-position adjustable stock. It's got the decompression button right here for the spring. And the trigger actually has a real break in it, like a real gun. This is the newest gun that we got. I haven't even had a chance to play with it yet. My plans for this gun is to make it the ultimate rifleman gun. It's gonna shoot hard, be pretty accurate with the flat hop, and the trigger response is gonna be nasty. It's got a full metal gearbox, version 3, because it's an AK. It's top wired, the dust cover. My plan, I'm gonna put a Lone X A2 infinite torque motor in here, and this also has a quick change spring gun.
And last we have the spring shotgun. This thing takes about 10 shots and it fires 3 shots with every pull of the trigger, so it actually has 3 barrels in the end. This shotgun we've had for about 5 years. Bought it off a friend and haven't done any upgrades to it. Don't really have any complaints with it. Performs as needed. And that's pretty much it for this shotgun.